Did you know that you can actually talk to your friends or relatives or anyone internationally except for the apps like WhatsApp and Facebook? Yes, there are actually a lot of apps which have even superior quality than these two. And if you want to know, keep watching the video till the end. Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Kaushal and you're watching TechWhoop. So today we are going to talk about 7 different apps through which you can talk to your friends or anyone easily, internationally and absolutely for free. So let's get started with the first one. So the first app is called Viber. If you remember that around 2010 or 11, this was actually the most popular app that was out there for calling internationally. Yes, it was easily possible to do it and it's still possible and it is a great app. But definitely it has been replaced by WhatsApp now because like almost all the features are same. So the only good thing about this app is that it lets you send images which are of higher resolution and it does not compress and just destroy the image basically, which WhatsApp does for you. So that's only the good part about it. And if I talk about the cons, then obviously this app has a few ads inside it. So there would be a lot of ads actually. So this is definitely the last one on my list. So I'm going in the descending order. So at the end, it would be my top first pick. So this app actually would have been number 1 on my list, except it just has one major con. So before that, I'll just let you know all the pros about it. So this app basically has literally everything that you would ask for. Good image size, good image quality, and like whatever file set you send, it will create cache of those files. So it is easy to access it as well as the file size is also compressed. That's one of the best things about this app. Apart from that, it has a very intuitive interface. So I think this app has the best interface that I've used out of all these apps while I was testing it. So it's definitely my most favorite interface. And also file sharing and messaging is the most quick in this app. So why is it so low on my list? So the only worst part about this app is that it drains out a lot of battery. So yes, if you have a very strong battery phone or like if the battery is really high of your phone, then you should use this app because it's amazing basically. So if you actually want an international phone number of any country, then this app is what you have to use. So with TextNow, it actually gives you a phone number and through that you can place calls or like receive messages, and basically it's a virtual phone number only. It also has a user-friendly interface and you can definitely use it if you want to associate a new number with it, which is international and not just your local original number, which is the case with all the other apps. Yeah. So the only downside about this app is that it will not let you generate another phone number that easily. Actually, I have to go through a complicated process to generate a new number. So in that case, it's actually much more advisable to just open up a new account if you want a different number and not the one which you already got. So number 4 on my list is Skype. Everybody knows about Skype. Skype is one of the oldest video calling apps that's ever present. It's a very old app actually and it's acquired by Microsoft. So it has a very simple and user-friendly interface. Almost everyone would be familiar with it. So just my only problem with this app is that it basically does not have that much of video quality compared to other apps. So if you are ever willing to video call someone, then you should definitely prefer the other apps which are higher on the list or even the ones which were lower on this list. But I think this app has the worst video quality out of all of them, and it's very questionable since it's acquired by Microsoft, and they could definitely improve on this, to be honest. So now coming to our top 3 picks. On number 3, I have Google Duo. Yes, it's very popular, although like very few people use it because people generally prefer other ones. Honestly, in my opinion, this is the most safest video calling app or like phone calling apps that's present on the market currently. It is total end-to-end encryption. All the other apps also have, but I think by Google security, this is the most safest one, to be honest. And I say that because it has 3 different methods through which they can verify your security information, so it would never be leaked or hacked. And it is also possible to send short video messages to your friends, so you don't have to do a major video call or anything if you just want to let them know a very small thing or something. Now coming second on my list is WhatsApp. Yes, you must be curious why it is not present number 1 on my list, and I basically have just 2 major problems with this. Apart from that, WhatsApp is definitely the most popular messaging as well as calling app that people use worldwide. So why is it number 2? Well, the reason is simple. So the first reason is that it does not let you call non-WhatsApp numbers. So if this one particular issue, if they address it and if they incorporate it inside the app, then I think it would be the best. And another thing is that they can definitely improve on the amount of data or the quality that they need for performing the audio or video calls. Because to be honest, it just requires a very stable internet connection if you want like a good quality of voice or like video. Because apart from that, the voice quality deteriorates a lot, and a lot of time it just goes on waiting. I have to repeat the same sentence at least like 10 times before the other person gets it if my internet quality is bad. So connection ke issues bahut. So I have honestly felt a lot of connection issues till now. Let me know in the comments if you also have the same problem or is it just me. So number 1 on my list is Facebook Messenger. Yes, it's number 1 because honestly it has the best quality of audio and video that I have experienced with, along with the amount of data that it consumes, and even when I have poor internet connection, it still gives me better audio quality and video quality compared to WhatsApp or the other ones mentioned above. The only downside about this app is, because every app literally has any downside if you want to look for it, that it requires a lot of space. Nowadays basically people have huge phones and like they have a lot of memory, so I don't think space should be an issue now. Another great thing about this app is that it also lets you call and contact different businesses or restaurants, or even allows you to make reservations online. What else do you need? It's as great as that. And also another good thing is that it also lets you put video filters live. So even if you're doing a video chat in a group or something, it is possible to add filters and stickers, whatever that you want live. So space is not an issue, then this should be the number 1 app that you should be using right now for international video calling as well as audio calling. Yes. So that was all for my video, guys. These were my top 7 picks for totally free video calling and voice calling internationally or even locally, whatever is your preference. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. Smash that dislike button if you did not like this video, and in case if you actually liked it, you know what to do. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Kaushal. Peace out.
That's good.